In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight and format text in Jira Cloud. If you've ever tried to make an important bug note stand out, emphasize acceptance criteria, or draw attention to a key update inside a Jira issue, you already know that formatting can feel a little hidden at first. The good news is that Jira Cloud includes a built-in rich text editor, and once you know where to click, applying text styling becomes quick and reliable. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to your Jira Cloud site. If needed, sign in through your organization's Atlassian login page using your own secure account. Once you're on the main dashboard, open the project you're working in and then select the specific issue card you want to edit. This could be a bug, a task, a user story, or any other issue type where you want the text to stand out more clearly. When the issue opens, click into the description field if you want to format the main issue content. If you're adding an update instead, scroll down and click into the comments field. As soon as you click inside one of these text areas, Jira activates its rich text editor and displays a formatting toolbar above the writing area. That toolbar is where most of the styling options live. Next, select the exact text you want to change. Be precise here, because Jira will only apply the formatting to the words you actively highlight. Once the text is selected, move to the toolbar and look for the More Text Formatting option, which is often shown as a three-dot icon. In some Jira layouts, you may also see a text color option directly. Click that menu to open the available formatting choices. From there, choose the color style you want. Depending on what you're trying to communicate, you might use a red highlight for a critical issue, yellow for something that needs attention, or green for a completed or validated item. As soon as you click the color, the selected text updates immediately so you can confirm the visual effect before saving. If you prefer working from the keyboard, Jira also supports useful markdown style shortcuts. For example, typing double asterisks around text will make it bold, and using backticks around text will format it as inline code. These shortcuts are especially helpful when you want to keep typing without interrupting your flow. Before you finish, take a moment to review the formatting in the editor. Make sure the highlighted or styled text is clear, readable, and applied exactly where you want it. Then click the Save button at the bottom of the editor. Jira will apply the formatting and display it live on the issue. That's it. You now know how to use Jira's rich text tools and shortcuts to make important information easier for your team to spot and understand. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.